Maybe that's loose. 93 degrees out, and you can see it's not happy. Once I get moving, if I'm stopped at lights, this happens. Bubbling and boiling. That's a radiator leak. This radiator stop leak, Walmart, $3.22. So our leak was coming from, as we know, right there. What I'm going to do make this work, loosen this up, take this off so I can turn it, because that's loose, and I'm going to pour the bars into here, directly into the radiator. So here it is. We got it turned, ready. Now we're simply going to pour this in. I need two hands. Okay, so we got it in. Now we're going to reconnect. It'll make it in there eventually, and then we're going to fill our reserve up to the proper level. I was trying to avoid removing this, but it made it a whole lot easier when I did. The air cleaner, loosen that screw, go beneath here and loosen this screw, and then just pull it off. Alright, we're filling the reserve. As you can see, I want to get all that $3.22 goodness, so now we're going to fill this to the proper level, and we're going to let it idle for 15 minutes. In conclusion, it's leaking. It's not really coming from here anymore where it was before. It was leaking before there. It looks like it's down lower, so we got a problem. We're going to have to probably replace this guy.